Hi friends, welcome to another session of SAP SD. So what is the agenda for today's session? In today's session, we'll discuss sales document type control part 2. Part 1 is already uploaded. So first we'll discuss number system in sales document type control. So before going to start this session, first we'll check the table of content for sales document type. So we'll go to sales document type. In sales document type, for sales document type, we have split it into 25 parts. So sales document type part 1 is already uploaded. So today we'll cover sales document type part 2. So gradually I'll upload 25 sessions on sales document type. So these are the videos, these are the documents which we have for sales document type. So in number system, what are the things we'll cover? In number system, we'll cover number range internal assignment, number range external assignment, item number increment, and sub item number increment. First, we have to see the basic configuration of number ranges, its functionality. Thereafter, we'll discuss some real-time scenarios. What are the real-time scenarios includes in this session? First requirement is what system should determine sales document number range based on sales office wise, not from the sales document type control. So this requirement cannot be fulfilled by the standard configuration. So we have to go for the enhancement. So here I will show you how to write a functional specification for this requirement, and we'll share it to the ABAPer, and ABAPer will develop the technical spec. And very important point is what technical spec is already developed in this system. So we'll check it in practical. Then second requirement, plant wise alphanumeric number ranges determination. So again, this requirement cannot be fulfilled by the standard configuration. Again, we have to go for the enhancement. So already enhancement is implemented in this system. So I'll show you it in practical. Then we have to understand what is number ranges rolling and how we can restrict the number ranges rolling. Then warning message, if number ranges is going to be exhausted, then how system will give the warning message so that user can understand number ranges is going to be exhausted. Based on this, user has to assign the new interval or extend the interval. Another point on warning is what? When system will give the warning message. Next is 2-year flag. What is 2-year flag? We'll discuss. Then next is number length domain. So in standard, SAP has given maximum length for sales order is sales document, delivery document, and billing document is 10. Suppose in future all number ranges will be exhausted, then what we can do? So generally we got this question in interview as well. So whether we have to archive the previous sales document number, or we have to extend the number maximum length of sales document number, we have to check. So here we will cover 3 enhancement, 1, 2, and 3. So first we'll start with an basis. First we'll start with internal number ranges. What is, we have to understand what is internal number ranges and what is external number ranges assignment. When we'll go for internal number ranges assignment and when we'll go for external number ranges assignment. So what is internal number ranges assignment? When user will create sales order, when user will save that sales order, after that system will allocate one sales document number in background based on number interval. So quickly I'll go to SAP system. Then I'll create one sales order. So this is internal number ranges system, because after saving the sales order, system allocate one sales document number for this sales order. Next is, what is external number ranges? So external number ranges is what? When creating a document with external number range assignment, the user must state document number that lies within the corresponding number range. So here, before saving their sales order, user has to give the sales document number, and that sales document number will be your sales order number. So if you go to the sales document type control, transaction code is VOV8. My sales document type is YOR. If I remove internal sales document number, then system will consider external sales document assignment. Now create one sales order. So here user has to give external document number, sales order number externally. We have to give within below range 6 lakh. I'll give 6 lakh 1,050. Now this will be the sales order number. So here user has to give sales order number externally before saving the sales order. So this is the difference between internal sales order, internal number ranges assignment and external number ranges assignment. So important point in this slide is what? When we'll go for the internal number ranges and assignment, and when we'll go for external number ranges assignment in real-time project. So next slide, I'll show you that. So we'll start with internal number ranges. First, we have to define the number range. When we use internal number range, NR status, what is NR status? How to delete NR number range, and how to switch number ranges from internal to external and vice versa. These are the basic things we'll discuss. Thereafter, we'll go for the real-time scenarios. First step is what? Define number range. Define number range. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, sales and distribution, sales document header. Define number range for sales document. And transaction code to define sales document number range is VN01. So VN01 is the transaction code to define number range for sales order, delivery, as well as billing. Transaction code is same. So we'll define one number interval. Go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, then go to sales and distribution, then go to sales document header, then define number range for sales document. So we are having two interval. One is display interval and another one is change interval. So we have to go to change interval and we have to define the number range. So what is the transaction code to define number range? Transaction code to define number range is VN01. Transaction code to define number range is VN01. So here I'll assign some number interval. So go to this interval, give one interval name. I'll assign some interval 3000, 3500, 1 to 3510. Okay, I'll give 3000 701 to 3710. So M1. Before assigning these number ranges, we have to cross check whether this assignment is already used or not. Do you have any sales order? Do you have any sales order in between this interval? Do you have any delivery document number in between this interval? Do you have any billing document number in between this number range? Because number range for sales order, delivery and billing both are same, all are same. So now we'll go to SC69 table. SC69 table, we'll check VBAK. In VBAK, I have to cross check whether this interval is used or not. Check number of hit. If system finds any hits, any entries, then we will not use this interval. So in VBAK, we don't have any entries. Then I'll go to LIKP. You do this practice. You have to do this practice in real time, or else you will find some challenges. So first we have to cross check whether this is used or not. Now go to billing document header VBRK. Now we'll cross check. So this interval is not in use. So save this. Now go to VOV8 and assign this interval. So this interval starting from 30,000, 30,701 to 30,710. So when we create sales order, system will allocate this number. Save this. And now we'll create one sales order. So 30,701. So interval is working fine. So now we know how to create number range. Usage of internal number range. In support project and implementation project, we use internal number range assignment. But some cases in implementation project, we assign external number ranges assignment for sales order. So that part we'll discuss in next slide. So when we'll use external number ranges in implementation project, but in support project by default we use internal number ranges. Some cases in implementation project we use external, or else we use internal number ranges assignment. Next field is NR status. NR status is what? NR status contains the last assigned number for internal number ranges. So NR status is what? It is the last created sales order number. Suppose we have assigned interval from M1 and interval is 25,011 to 25,015. So now I'll create new interval. Save it. Now assign M1 and interval would be here 25,011 to 25,015. This is the interval. So same way, before assigning this, you have to cross check with tables VBAK, VBLIKP, and VBRK table. Now I'll create sales order. This is the sales order number. If we'll go to interval, go back, again go to interval. So this is the number. If we'll go to slide. So last created sales order number. So this is the last created sales order number. Then NR status will be this. If we'll check, this is your NR status. This is your NR status. Next time when I'll create sales order, NR status will be 25,012. Next number. $25,012. Go back, and click on change interval. Now you can see NR status is last created sales order. Last created sales order number. Suppose 11 and 12 created sales order. Now I'll change manually the status. Go to NR status. If I'll change 13, then when you create sales order next time, sales order number, system will consider this number is already done. System will take next number. So order number will be 25,014. 25,014. Save it. 20,014 you can see. Okay, so now we clear what is NR status. NR status is last created sales order number. So another one point is NR status will get the NR status only for internal number ranges assignment, not for external number ranges assignment. How to delete the NR status? Suppose by mistakenly we have assigned some number, and for that interval we have created one or two sales orders. Very less number of sales order we have created. Due to some circumstances, we have to delete that interval. So how to delete? M1 is already created. So if you want to delete the NR status, then initially NR status is there. Now we have to remove this NR status, make it blank. Without blank, we cannot able to delete. I'll show you. Now for this interval, we are having number range status. If number range status is, if any number is there in number range status, then directly system will not allow to delete this interval. Select, try to delete, system will give message. Go back, go to interval, change interval. If we'll try to delete, system will give one information message. Delete only possible if status is initial. Status is initial means NR status should be blank. So now I'll go to the NR status. I'll delete this. I'll make it blank. Then again I'll go to the change interval. Again I'll go to the change interval. Then now I can delete this because NR status is 0. Now it's deleted. Save. Done. So first we have to change NR status as blank. Then only if it is blank, then only I can able to delete number range. If NR status is there, any entries is there, then system will not allow to delete NR status. Next is When will change a number range from external to internal? When we change from external to internal. So I'll create one external number ranges assignment. Same way we have to create, go to new entries. I'll assign M2, interval is 8 lakh 1 to 8 lakh 1 to 8 5 times 9. This is the interval. If you'll check this, if you'll check this external assignment, then system will treat it as external number ranges assignment. If you'll uncheck this, then system will treat it as internal number ranges assignment. If you check this, then this is external. Save it. Then now assign it in your sales document type. First we have to remove internal. If you remove internal, then only system will consider external number ranges assignment. Now I'll assign external number ranges M2 here. Then if you try to create sales order, then you cannot able to create sales order without sales order number. So user has to enter sales document number externally here. So now it's working fine. So reason is what? When will change from internal to external? When will change from internal to external? I'll tell you one real-time scenario, which we have done in our implementation project. So in implementation project, they have implemented initially in legacy system. Legacy system means non-SAP system. They are having some open sales order. They are having some open sales order. And here requirement is what? This sales order number should be allocated to this customer, this material and this quantity. This order number should be allocated to this customer, this material and this quantity. Then we have to go for external number ranges to upload the data. If we can assign any number to any sales document, then we have to go for internal. But here we have to allocate this sales order number to this customer, this material and this. So here we have to go for external number ranges assignment. So here I'll upload. I'll show you here. I'll create sales order. So this is cutover period. In cutover period, what generally we do, we upload master data and we upload all open transactional data. So these are the open sales order. I have to create it in SAP system. So how I'll create? I'll create through LSMW, because we are having numbers of data are there. So I'll copy, then go to notepad, save it in notepad. So friends, if you are new, then you don't have you may not have knowledge on LSMW, then just watch it and try to understand the requirement, try to understand the concept. Save it, close. Now I'll open LSMW /n LSMW, execute, select specify file. So if you don't have knowledge on LSMW, no need to worry about this, but try to understand the requirement here. Later on we'll discuss about LSMW. So when I'll complete this LSMW, all open order will be created in SAP automatically through LSMW. No need to go to BA01 and create one by one. So if we'll create one by one, then it will take time. We can do manual mistake. So we'll upload it through LSMW, which is very convenient. process actually having some error in division for this matrix. Quickly I'll go to system. Here I'll give my it's uploaded successfully. Okay, once again I'll run this. One entry will be uploaded. Now all sales document number assigned to respective customer, material and quantities. Now you go to SE69. Go to SE69. Go to VBAK table and get the highest order number, latest order number, latest order number. Latest order number, select, click on descending, and this is the latest sales order number. Note down this latest sales order number. Now once again you try to understand this logic. So we know if we check external check, then system will treat it as a external sales document number. So when we'll change this from external to internal, so external already created, data already uploaded in implementation project, whatever activity is done. Now production system is ready. So now we have to change from external to internal. So if we'll uncheck external check, then system will treat it as internal number range. So see carefully. Go to SAP system. Go to SAP system. Go back. Go back. Go to NR status. Okay, sorry. Go back. First we have to uncheck. First we have to uncheck this external check. Then go back. Then go to NR status. And here you assign last created sales order number. Save it. Same time you go to sales document type control, you remove from external, then you will assign it to internal, then system will follow the sequence. So now create sales order. Next sales order number will be 8 lakh and 12. So this is the scenario where we'll switch number ranges from external number ranges to internal sales order number, internal number ranges assignment. So now sales order number will be 8 lakh and 12. I hope you understood this scenario requirement. Then next very important point in object RVBLG. So we are having number length, warning message, no rolling, and 2-year flag. So one by one functionality, important functionality, standard functionality we have to check. Thereafter we'll go for the enhancement. So first point is number length. In standard, maximum length for order delivery or billing is 10. So transaction code to check this is go to SNRO, go to SNRO. Object is RV underscore BELG. Click on this. Suppose here I'll maintain 50%. Sorry, 1%. So this is the standard character. So maximum length for sales order is 10. This is the control. If you'll go to number interval, then if you'll count, then maximum length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It cannot be more than 10 in standard. It cannot be more than 10 in standard. Suppose in future number range will be exhausted, then what we'll do? In interview also we are getting this question. If number ranges will be exhausted, then as a consultant what you have to do? So we'll check whether we have to archive the previous sales order number, or we have to extend the length from 10 to more than 10. So that we'll discuss in next slide. In future slide we'll discuss. Then next is important part is warning. What is warning? If we maintain percentage here, then after completion of that percent, system will give warning message to extend or assign the new interval, new number interval. Example, suppose I have assigned number interval from 30,501 to 30,510, and I have maintained 50% in warning. So when 50% number interval will be completed, system will give warning message. If you'll see 30,501 to 30,510, 50% is this 30,505. When we have 30,505, when we'll reach up to that number, system will start giving warning message. So now we'll create one interval. This interval I will create 30,501 to 30,510. Go to interval, insert interval, M3, 30,501 to 30,510, M3, save it. Then go to control. Here I'll maintain 50%. Maintain 50%. So I have created interval as M3 from 30,501 to 30,510, and I have maintained 50%. When 50% number interval will be completed, system will start giving warning message. 50% of this interval is 30,505. Now go to sales document type control and assign. Then assign number interval is M3. Save this. Now create 5 sales order. Quickly we'll create 5 sales order. Order number 30,503, 30,504. From next sales order onwards, system should give warning message. System should give warning message. Warning message is what? Number range in numbers in number range M3 for object RV underscore BELEG are almost used off, so that user can understand number interval is going to be exhausted. We have to assign or we have to extend the interval. So this is the advantages to assign, means understand when number ranges will be exhausted. So warning message done. Then next is no rolling. No rolling is what? Selecting the flag preventing the number range object interval for automatically starting from beginning at the upper limit. So now this is the requirement, you just try to understand. Now I'll assign this interval, small interval. I'll assign a small interval from 40,001 to 40,003. 40,001 to 40,003. So when this interval completed, system will start giving number, sales order number 401, 402, 403. When we'll complete 403, again it will roll. Repeat this number. And second time when we'll create sales order, when save the sales order number, system will allocate 40,001, and this will be false document number. This will be false document number. This will be false document number. So now I'll assign a small interval. This is the control. No rolling flag. No rolling flag is unchecked. No rolling flag is unchecked. No rolling flag is unchecked. Without uncheck, with uncheck, we'll test. Now here you have to see carefully, or else you cannot able to, means you will have doubt on this. See carefully. Interval is 40,001 to 40,003. Small interval for testing purpose. 40,001 to 40,003. Save it. Save it. I'll activate this sometime. It ought to work. Sometime it will work. Enter. Save it. Now I'll create sales order. Now you see. First three sales order I'll create for Y material. I'll create for Y material. You see. Y material 10 quantity. Save. Only Y material. Order number created 40,001. 10 quantity. It's giving message. Forget about this. Save. I'll remove this 40%, or else it will give message again and again. This is the last number. So first three sales order I have created for X material. Now I'll create for Z material. For 16 quantity. Save. When you save this, again system is repeating the document number. That is nothing but the rolling. So first I have created for X material 10 quantity. Now I have created for a Z material 16 quantity. So now we have to check whether this order number is false order number or actual order number. Now go to change mode of sales order. Now go to change mode of sales order. BA02. Enter 40,001. You will get X material. First, sorry, Y material. First I have created with Y material. But now I am creating for Z material 16 quantity. It's giving false document number. Second sales order number you check. Second sales order number you check. 2. I have created for Y material 10 quantity. Sales order number this. Y material 10. Now I'll try to create. Now I'll create one sales order for Z material. Z material. Z material 91 quantity. Save. Sales order number again it is repeating and giving false document number. Go to change mode, you will get Y material, you will not get Z material. Go to VA02. Y material. So it's rolling it up. So now how you restrict the rolling of number range, means repeating the number range from higher end to lower end if number range is exhausted. Go to control S and arrow. If you'll check no rolling, then system will, when number range is exhausted, it will not repeat from start to end. So for testing purpose, again I will assign a new number interval. I delete this 40,001 to 40,003. Save. I'll assign 40,004 to 40,006. Save this. Save this. Then create another 3 sales order. So I have now, once again, I have assigned 40,003 to 40,006. So in between, system will give this number. Thereafter 40,004, 40,005. When this number will complete, then system will give error message. System will not roll from 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Control is where? Control is no rolling. Here I have checked. Control is where? Control is this. Control is no rolling of interval. No rolling of number interval. Save. Now create 5 sales order, 4 to 5 sales order. Four, 5, 6. Number ranges exhausted. Next time when I'll create sales order, system will give error message instead of rolling number interval. Now system given one message that this is the last number of this assignment. Okay. Now you create sales order, whether number is repeating or not. Your system should give error message because I have checked no rolling. So now system given one error message that interval is already completed. But in previous case, whether I have unchecked the no rolling, system was giving message. So next part is year end flag. ID determining whether the number range interval are distinguished according to the fiscal year. So generally in SD, number range is not based on fiscal year. In finance, we are having fiscal year based. So for finance end, I'll test some scenarios so that you can understand. You must have experience on that when we'll do the stock posting. MB1C. When we'll do stock posting, system asks to assign number interval fiscal year wise. Save. Now system is giving message interval 49 does not exist for RF underscore BELEG test FBN1. So this is fiscal year. This number interval is distinguished with fiscal year. So fiscal year dependent. So transaction code to assign number range for FI accounting is FBN1. Put our company code. Company code is text. Click on interval. So here interval is already assigned. Here interval is already assigned. Here interval is already assigned. Perhaps it is giving error. So wait, I'll delete the user. Okay, go to FBN1. Again go to company interval. Now I'll assign with 21. Number interval 49, 2021, 2000 to 299. Save it. Let me come out from this transaction. Someone is working. Now again do the stock posting. You will get same error because it is year dependent. When we'll maintain for fiscal year, current fiscal year 2022, then only this error will be resolved. You can see this error is coming. Then again go to FBN1. Go to FBN1. Give our company code interval. Now if I'll assign with current year, then it will start working. Save. Now if you'll go to MB1C, then you will not get that fiscal year variant issue. Sorry, fiscal year number interval issues. Save. Now issue is resolved. So this is year fiscal year dependent. Another one thing in if you'll create the delivery BL01 and in delivery also we are having this accounting entries assignment. I'll make this future date. Okay, in delivery also number interval is document number interval is year dependent. You can see 49 does not exist for FBN1. So this is my company code. Initially I assigned for company code test, but now I'm creating sales order for this company code. So go to FBN1. Go to FBN1. Go to FBN1. insert your company code. Then if you put 49 2021 12199, it won't work because this is not current fiscal year. 2021 is not current fiscal year, so it won't work. Save it. Again getting error. Again go to FPN1 and assign with current fiscal year, then it will work. '49 2022 2000 299, enter, save it. Now you create a delivery, you can able to create the delivery VL01N. Now create delivery. Now it is giving some error because maybe some number interval means document number interval is exhausted, but it is working fine. Okay, so why I wanted to say these things, because ID determining whether the number range interval are distinguished according to fiscal year. Example, this is year wise. I'll maintain one interval M5 for this year, this to this, M6 this year, this to this. So this is year dependent. Year wise it will work year wise, but in sales order, we don't have any provision to assign year dependent. So if you check below, this is the SAP notes. SAP notes number is this. 2-year flag cannot be set number range for RVELEG. RVELEG means SD number range, sales order number range. Here you can see small letter. You try to edit 2-year flag number range RV_BELEG, but it is grayed out and not editable. If you'll go to this, now for me, this is editable mode. Why editable mode? Forcefully in program level, I have changed this logic and I have changed forcefully from display to change. I have changed forcefully from display to change. That is the reason it is showing change. But for all other system, for your systems also, this 2-year flag will be in change mode. Sorry, display mode. So this 2-year flag will want to work, not relevant for SD number range. So for functionality wise, if you check this, then what will happen? So that I have changed it forcefully. So if I'll change, then what will happen? So first one thing is what? If you go to VN01, we have to delete all the interval. First I'll check. First I'll take this screenshot. Have a patience. I'll show you. I'll delete all. If you'll delete, then only it will work. So go back. How to delete? If you'll remove NR status, all NR status, if you'll keep it blank, then we can able to delete. I'll make it blank. I'll save it. If it is blank, then only you can check. 2-year flag in SNRO transaction. I'll select all, then delete. Save. Now this is all number ranges change. Just I am showing you the functionality, but for SD it will not work. For your system it will be in display mode. Okay, it will be in display mode. Go to SPRO. sorry, go to SNRO BLG RF underscore BELEG. Now check this year end. Save. Now you can able to save. If you don't have entries in VN01, then only you can check this field. Now go to VN01. Now go to VN01. You will get year as well. You can see. You will get the number and year as well. You will get the number and year as well. So if we'll compare with previous screen here, do you have here? Do you have year? Here we don't have year, but here we are having year dependent. But it will not work for sales and distribution. So just I showed you for your information. For your system, this flag will be grayed out. I'll uncheck this. This flag will be grayed out. You cannot change. I have changed it in program level. Okay, so now we understood what is characteristics, warning, 2-year flag, and no rolling. So again, go to FBN1, FBN1. Then here, sorry, not FBN1, sorry, VN01. So here, year end will year you will not find any year interval number. Then from 2, clear. So next, external number ranges. When we'll go for the external number range, define number range for external. Already we have done a real-time use of external number range. I'll show you. This is very important point. So when we'll assign external number range and we'll assign internal number range in data uploading. So already we have discussed this one. I'll leave this bit. Then this is very important scenario. This is related to enhancement. We have done the enhancement. So first we have to understand enhancement number 68. So what is enhancement number 68? Enhancement number 68. Go back. In project. Go to enhancement. Where is enhancement? So enhancement number 68. So enhancement number 68. What is the enhancement? In enhancement 68, above development, how to explain in interview, SO number and determination based on sales office. So what is the enhancement? Sales number range, sales office wise. So enhancement 68, sales number range, sales office wise. First enhancement. So your client requirement is what? System should determine different sales order number based on sales office. System should determine different sales order number based on sales office. So business requirement is what? Mumbai sales office. We are having, suppose we are having 3 sales office: Mumbai sales office, Pune sales office, and Cuttack sales office. So for Mumbai sales office, system should determine number interval. So sales office is S100, S200, and S300. For Mumbai sales office, system should determine 3 series: 3,01,239,999, 4,01,2, 4,99,909, 4 series, and for S300, 5 series. So in this way, system should determine sales document number range. But generally, in standard, we don't have provision because we maintain in sales document type. So one sales document type, one interval. But here, one sales document type, but different sales office, different interval. This is the client requirement. I hope you understood the client requirement. Then here key field, we are having 3 key field. First is sales document type. Technical name for sales document type is VB, AK, and AUART. So if you'll go to SAP system, then go to AC69, VBAK. So sales document type, table is sales document type, table is VBAK, and sales document type field is AUART. AUART. So what is the length for sales document type? If you double click on this field, then you will get the length. Length is 4. Length is 4 here, which we have given in PPT. Then go back. Then I have to check sales office. Sales office. Sales office technical name, which includes table and field is VBAK VKBUR. VKBUR. So VKBUR length is again 4. Length is again 4. Length is 4. Okay. Then here create a G table based on above field. We'll ask Avapo to create a G table based on above field. So here program name, sales order program name is MB45FZZ. In documents, everything explained in details. Then user exit, we are having standard user exit related to number range, user exit underscore number underscore range. So any determination, any number range determination is not standard, then we have to go for the enhancement. And for that enhancement, we have the standard user exit, that is user exit underscore number underscore range. Then transaction code, it will work for VA01, sales order creation transaction code. Then enhancement based on G table logic below. Pass VBAK, pass VBAK and VKBUR, VBAK AUART in this table. This table is already created by ABAPer. To this and get the number range. Now table is ZSD. Go to SE69. Go to SE69. Table is ZSD underscore range. We have to pass sales office order number OR and my sales office S100. If system find any interval from this table, then system gives first priority to this G table and system should determine number interval from this G table, not from the sales document type. Again, if system finds any entries from this table, then system will determine number interval from this table. If not, then system will determine from VO V8 internal number ranges assignment. So we don't have any entries. So we have to maintain the entries. So transaction code for table maintenance is SM30. Transaction code for table maintenance is SM30. Go to SM30. Go to SM30. This is the table number. This is a G table we have created. Then click on maintain. So this G table consists sales office, sales document type, and NR interval. Okay, NR interval. So here sales office S100, sales document type YOR. So interval not yet created. So requirement is, their requirement is what? System should determine this interval. So I'll create 3 interval. I'll create 3 interval. Go to VN01. VN01 interval M1 30 lakh 3 lakh 1 to 399. Insert M2 4 lakh 1 to 4999. Enter. M3 5001 to 599999. Enter. Save it. Then we'll assign this. Number interval M1. Enter. S200 YOR M2 S300 YOR M3. Save this. Now if we'll go to SE16N, now we'll go to SE16N. Here we'll get the entries. If we'll pass sales office and sales document type, then here system will find the entries. Based on these entries, system will determine number range, not from VOV8. Okay, not from VOV8. Now how to test? Now I have created 3 customers. First customer is Manoj, second customer is Tony, third customer is Babulu. So if you'll go to XT02 change mode, if you'll check sales area data, sales tab, you will get the sales office. For Manoj, you will get the sales office S1. For Tony, you will get the sales office S2. For Babulu, you will get sales office S300. So go to XT02 for your confirmation. Customer code is Manoj. Enter. Sorry, go to sales area data. In sales tab, we maintain sales office. So for this customer Manoj, I have assigned sales office S100. For this, system should determine number range as 3 series. Now I'll go to second customer. Customer is Tony. For Tony, I'll maintain sales office as S200. Save. Pune sales office. For Babulu, sales office 300. S300. Okay. Now we'll create sales order. Now I'll create sales order. VA01. Sales document type will be same for all, but customer will be different. First, I'll check with Manoj. Z material. Here you can cross check which sales office is there. Sales office is S100 here. S100. So it should determine 3 series number interval. Save. Then second customer Tony. Tony should belongs to S200. Sorry. I have to check whether it is 3 series or not. Go to VA02. So this is 3 series sales order number determined. Now VA01. Enter. I'll change the customer code to Tony, which is belongs to S200. Go to header data, cross check. It is S200. So it should determine 4 series sales order number. 4 series determined. 4,01,000. Then Babulu, BABULU. Customer code is Z. Series is S300. Save it to determine 5 series sales order number. 5 series sales order number determined. Okay, so successfully we have implemented this. So how to explain this? What is part 1 in change request form? What is part 1? Means part A, part B, part C. So I have document in details. Okay, so enhancement table structure. We have created one table, ZST underscore range underscore SO. Description of this table is number range table for SO. Field, this is sales office is our key field. Then technical name for sales office is VBAK, VK, BUR. Description sales office. Sales document, field name is sales document underscore sales underscore document underscore table. Data type is technical name VBAK, AURT. Description sales document type. NR underscore range, data type and range. So this is all about the enhancement. The next item number increment. So go to VOV8. Go to VOV8. So item number increment. Suppose here I have maintained item number increment as 5. Then when you create sales order, item number increment controls how the item number will be incremented in sales order. So I have maintained here, I will maintain 1. As per PPT, I will maintain 1. Save it. Then create sales order. PA01. Enter. Z material 1. So now item number is incrementing 111. Here you can see. So item number increment controls how the line item number will be incremented in sales order. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if I'll maintain 2, then it will be increment as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Maintain 2. Save it. Enter. 2, you can see 2, 2, it is increasing 2 plus 2 plus 2. One scenario we'll discuss here. Suppose we are having one quotation. Create one quotation, BA21. In quotation, I have maintained sales document number increment as 10, but in sales order I have maintained 2. So create one quotation. It is increasing as 10 plus 10 plus 10. Save it. Now you create sales order with reference to this quotation. Then how it will be incremented in sales order, whether it will copy from source document to target document, or it will redetermine based on sales document type assignment. It copied from sales document to target document. So order I have maintained 2, but it is copying from source document to target document. So control is where? Control is here. Okay, wait. Control is here. Go to copy control VTAA YOR to QT. If we'll check this, then item number will be copied from source document to target document. So which we have already checked. Now I'll uncheck this. If we'll uncheck this, then item number will be redetermined in sales order, means target document based on assignment. So in this case, it sales item number increment copied from sales document to target document. So now I have unchecked copy item number in copy control. So it will redetermine in sales order. It will redetermine in sales order. In sales order, it will be 2, 4, 6 like this. Okay, again create a sales order. YOR it's redetermined, means it's redetermined based on sales document type control. But if we'll check copy item number, then item number will be copied from source document to target document. In source document, item number incremented as 10. So if we'll check this, then system will copy item number increment from source document to target document. So in sales order also it will be 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10, 20, 30. Clear? Then next is sub item number increment. This field control how the sub item number will be incremented in sales order when system automatically generates sub item number. So which case we have, in which scenario we have sub item number, bill of material, cross selling, free goods, material determination. In this case we are having main item along with we are having sub item along with main item. So let's check. First scenario, item number is 10 and sub item number is 2. Item number is 10 and sub item number is 2. Sub item number 2. So you create one bill of material. So I have created one bill of material. Okay, I'll show you what is the transaction code to create bill of material. CS01. Okay, CS01. I'll give Y material as main item, plant S100, and select BOM usage as 5. Then item category L, I'll maintain X material. Z material 1 quantity. Okay, go to, I have created one BOM, CS01, enter. Then enter the sub item. So X material is main item, then Y material is Y and homage DSR is sub item. So go to main item MM02. In main item, you have to maintain item category group as ERLA. You maintain ERLA. Then now create sales order VA01. Enter. X material 10 plus 2 plus 2. Go to sales document type YOR. Here I will maintain 10. Here I will maintain 2. So main item, it would be 10, then plus 2 plus 2 sub item. First item 10, then sub item plus 2 12 plus 2 14. So it's determined based on the assignment. First is 10, 12, 14. Then again I'll test one more scenarios. I'll check sub item as 3. Sub item as 3. Again create sales order. So it would be 10 plus 3 13 plus 3 16. So this will be 10, then 13, then 16. Ten plus 3 13 plus 3 16. 10 plus 3 13 plus 3 16. Okay, so we have completed number system. So guys, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. So I'll be reachable on below communication details. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for upcoming sessions. So guys, thank you so much for watching this session.